Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome to Englarity. Let's learn English. Today is special. We are learning morning words. Ready? Look at my book. It has all our words for today. First, we wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Repeat after me. Wake up again. Wake up. Great, you have a very clear voice. Let's keep going. Next, I go to the bathroom. It is time to get ready. I wash my face. The water feels so fresh and clean. The water is cold.
So chilly.
It wakes me up.
So fun.
Now, I brush my teeth. Up and down, up and down. Repeat after Laura. Brush my teeth. Good. Perfect. Your smile is beautiful. You're a natural. Now for my favorite part. It is time to get dressed. I wear a yellow sweater. It is so soft and warm. Repeat the color. Yellow. Now say sweater. And I wear blue jeans. They are my favorite pants. Repeat the phrase. Blue jeans. Excellent. I am ready. I feel great in my yellow sweater today. Oh, I hear a sound. I am hungry. Are you hungry? Let's go to the kitchen and make some breakfast. Yum! I love toast. It is crunchy and warm. Look. I put butter on my toast. It melts so perfectly. Repeat after me. Toast with butter. Nice. It is delicious. Breakfast is my favorite meal. But wait, I need one more thing. I want coffee. I open the door and step outside. It's a lovely day. Look up. The weather is sunny. The sun is bright. I am walking to the cafe. It is a short, happy walk. I see a friend. I say hello. Can you say hello? We are, the coffee shop. It smells so good. Let's order. Listen to what I say to the barista. Can I have a coffee, please? Now, you try it. Here you go. The coffee is hot. Be careful, Laura. Thank you. Always remember to say, thank you. You did it. You learned so many words today. Wow. See you next time on Englarity. Like and subscribe. Bye.